Here's my monthly budget as someone who lives independently and working here in Davao as a full-time call center agent and part-time virtual assistant. When I started working and living independently, the budgeting formula that I always follow is based on 50-30-20 budgeting system, meaning 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. But I'm having a hard time following this guideline knowing na napakamahal na lahat ngayon. Hindi ko masunod yung 50-30-20 kasi di ko kaya mapagkasya yung 50% yung needs ko. For my needs, ito yung breakdown ng expenses ko. Ito naman for my wants and my savings. For my needs, ito yung budget na nilalaan ko per month. Usually may sumusobra dyan roughly 2,000 to 3,000 pesos, especially kapag nagtitipid ako. Pero yun yung fixed budget ko for my expenses for the whole month para sure na makakapag-survive ako. Guide lang naman to guys, so if wala ka pang budgeting system na pina-follow, check your lifestyle pa din. Iba-iba naman tayo ng needs and wants and